To begin creating a service in Angular, we use the Angular CLI. The command shown on screen, generate service data, instructs the CLI to generate a new service named data service. Simply enter this command in your terminal within the Angular project directory. After running the command, the CLI creates a file with an already set up Angular service class, as seen here. The injectable decorator tells Angular that this service can be injected into other components or services. The provided in root means that the service is provided globally and a single instance should be created and shared across the application. The getData method is just a placeholder. In real scenarios, it might reach out to a server to fetch data or perform other logic. Let's move on to how you would use the created service in a component. You will import the data service into your component file, just like any other TypeScript import. Here, it is imported into my component. In the constructor of the component, you inject the data service by including it as a parameter, and prefixing it with private to make it a class member. In the ng on init lifecycle hook, we call the getData method from data service. This is typically where you'd initialize data retrieval when the component loads.